Hi everyone, and you are welcome to yet another ICT virtual class presentation. Today is Wednesday, 5th August 2020, and the topic is how to change the case of letters. My name is Olusegun Adebanjo, your ICT instructor at Kif and Kane Nursery and Primary School, Owode Ikorodu. Just two learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, you say to yourself, I should be able to, the first one, differentiate between lowercase and uppercase. Then the second learning objective, change the case of letters in Microsoft Word. Okay. Now, the learning aid here, I told you that there are different tabs, and for every tab or for each tab you have what we call groups, and for each of those groups we have what we call commands. And like you can see on the screen now, we have the home tab, the insert tab, the page layout tab, the references, mailings, review, then view tab, and so on and so forth. And under home tab now, once you open home tab, for the groups we have clipboard group, we have font group, we have paragraph, and so on. So where I'm actually going is, you can see the arrow pointing to a particular command there, and that's the change case command. Okay, that's the change case command. You have the superscript, you have the subscript, you have the strike through, you have the underline, you have the interlinks, you have bold, you have grow fonts, you have shrink fonts, different commands within the font group there. So that's our learning aid. Okay, now I have another learning aid here which will be needful as we move on in the learning of today. Now you can see this Microsoft Word environment. For the home tab, the insert tab, then you can see the page layout tab. Once the page layout tab is opened, you can see the themes group, then page setup group, then other groups there. Now for under the page setup group, that's where you can find the page, I think, you can see the page color there. That's once you open the page layout in one of the groups there. I can't see the name of the group now, but you can see themes, page setup, then you can see where we click to get the page color. In the course of the learning, we'll find solution to that. Okay, so this will be attached to your classwork stream, for reference purpose. So how to locate the page color, that's what I've just shown to you. Okay, so now let's move on. The content is here, so let me read the content to you. In Microsoft Word 2010, you can convert the letters of text from the lowercase to the uppercase. Lowercase means there are small letters, then uppercase means capital letters. Okay, so you can move from small letter to capital letter different ways. You can decide to make the first letter of your word capital, the other one small letters. Then you can decide to toggle your case, that's make maybe one letter capital, the other one small, the other one capital, the other one small, like that. So you do not have to type the whole text once again for changing the case of letters. That's maybe for instance you want to type a particular sentence, maybe using small letter, and you have typed in capital. You now decide to wipe off all the capital and now start typing in small letter. No, the one you have typed in capital letter, you can actually, with the help of change case command, you can actually change from that capital letter to small letter, then from small letter to capital letter, then different cases like that. So now to change the case of letters in a text, follow these steps. Select the text. That we've done that, how to select text. Click home tab. I've shown different tabs to you, so you see the home tab. Then select and click change case from the font group. I just showed that to you now. So that's change case from the font group. Okay, so from the font group, a list of options appears. You may choose the option you want. Now there are different options. The options are the one listed under now. That's you have the sentence case. So what does it do? It makes the first letter a capital letter in the sentence. Then what about lowercase? Lowercase converts all the selected letters in a sentence into lowercase, into small letters. That's what they mean. Uppercase now, it capitalizes all the letters of the text into the uppercase, into capital letter. Then capital each word, it capitalizes only the first letter of every word in a sentence. Toggle case, this reverses the current status of the case in a sentence. Let's assume the first status is capital, then it can change that to small letter. Okay, so now how to change the case of the letters? So the practical aspect now, select the text, click home tab, we've shown that, and then select and click change case. From the font group, a list of options appears. You may choose the option you want. You can see here the home tab, then under font group you see the change case, sentence case. Once you click on that, you see sentence case, lowercase, uppercase. So you must have selected what you want to apply this to before you pick the option. Okay, so now let's look at the so I've read all of that to you. So what the sentence case does, what the lowercase does, what the uppercase does, what the capitalized each word does, then toggle case. Now I have your assignment here, which will still be attached to the classroom section. The first person to change the case of letters, click dash tab. You know what to do. Dash makes the first letter capital in the sentence. Dash makes the first letter capital in the sentence. You can make reference to your notes or to the video. Okay, dash converts all the letters in small letters, all the small letters in small letter. Then number 4, dash capitalize all the letters of the text. So check. Then page color command is present in dash group. So if I were you, once you have chosen all the correct answer from number 1 to 4, then the odd one out that you have not chosen should be the right answer to number 5, even though I have shown that to you while I was showing the learning aid. So this one is as simple as ABC. That's number 5. Page color command is present in dash group. Which group? I've shown that to you. So it's not left for you to find your way around it and do the needful. Okay, so you should be able to differentiate between tab and group. So tab, group, I've shown all of that to you, so you can sort that out. So with that, I welcome you all to the end of today's class. Until I come your way again, keep staying at home and keep staying safe. Bye now. Okay.